Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to Instagram story. So let's go into the Instagram mobile application here. On the top left side corner, you will see the story which you have uploaded. And if you want to add a story here, we will click on the plus icon which is on the top right side corner. Go to the story section and we will select a photo here, right? So here I will just go into the photo section and I will select a photo basically. So here I'll just scroll a little bit down and I will select a proper photo. So if I want this photo and if I want to add a music, on the top right side corner you will see this smiley icon. Click on there. Now on the search bar you have to just search music, right? And after searching the music, basically you have to do one more thing. So guys, you can see that I've got this feature. So if I just click on the music here, you can see that all the music are available here. And if you want to search a specific music, you can just use this search browser, right? And here I can browse. So basically you cannot add a music from on your own library or from your own phone. You can just add it from here. So I will select any one of them and here it is added. I will click on the done which is on the top right side corner, and if I just click on this, it will change its shape and size. So I like this one and basically I will just keep it here. And this is it guys. So if you found this video really useful, and after that you have to click on your story and that's it. So if you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.